Okay, so if you're gonna do the Euro taillight conversion on a US bike, you need to buy 3 separate parts. You have part 102000935, which is an M6 screw. You need 3 of those. You need the tail light, part 6780130, and that looks like this. There you go. That's the Livewire tail brake light for European models. And as you can see, it's got 3 holes for mounting to the frame with these. These screws are 54 cents each, so it's $1.62 for all 3 screws. This brake light is $133.98, and the final piece is the tail underside, which is the replacement of the plastic guard that goes underneath the seat and protects the interior electronics from dirt. That tail section is part number 595-01008, and it is $123.45. It's essentially the same as what's already under the bike, except it's got a cutout for the brake light. We'll need to remove the covers to access the tail section. If you're not sure how to do that, I've got you covered. Check out my previous video for a detailed guide on cover removal. With the covers off, now we can move to the tail section. We're removing the closed assembly, also known as the splash guard. The part number for reference is 595-01009. To get started, unscrew the 5 screws that hold the tail section in place using a T25 Torx bit. For those interested, that's part number 105-00135. After you remove those, there's one push-in fastener to take out as well, part number 126-00241. Next, we need to disconnect the wiring harness for the license plate lamps. Locate the rear harness connector at position 9 in the service manual diagram. The part number for this wiring harness jumper is 692-02983. Stuff the disconnected and unused end underneath the wires for safekeeping. Plug in the new custom wiring harness into the same connector that the original harness was attached to. This custom harness is built specifically for the Euro tail light conversion, and it includes the right connectors for your tail light, stock turn signals, and the license plate light. It even comes with a jumper cable to extend the license plate light down to a side-mounted position on the swing arm. If you're interested in this kit, it's available for $40. It comes with everything you need, including extra connectors and pins for third-party turn signals. Message me on YouTube or Facebook if you want to grab one. Once everything's plugged in, mount the Euro taillight onto the frame using the 3 M6 screws and a T30 Torx bit. Make sure you torque those screws to between 62 and 80 inch-pounds, just a little more than finger tight. With the new taillight secured, let's reinstall the tail section. This time we're using the open assembly splash guard, part number 595-01008. Grab your T25 Torx bit again and secure the 5 screws. Torque these to finger tight, or between 52 and 58 inch-pounds. Reinstall the push-in fastener and the accompanying plastic screw. It doesn't take much to get that screw in, so don't tighten it too much. Finally, you're ready to put the covers back on. For help with that, again, check out my cover removal install video. And that's it. You've now successfully converted your US spec Livewire S2 Del Mar to the Euro taillight setup. Be on the lookout for my video featuring my custom mounting brackets for turn signals under the tail section and side mount plate with the license plate light kit for sale in the near future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more electric motorcycle content. If you need a custom wiring harness or have any questions, drop a comment or hit me up on YouTube or Facebook. Thanks for watching and ride safe.